Hello friends, this is Almaipet Swati. My internship title is Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. In this internship, I have created a chatbot which gives information about the product. The product is heater. I have done this internship at Smart Interns. This is the dashboard of Smart Interns. This is the workspace of Smart Interns which is comfortable for everyone. This is a project we have to create and these are the tasks. For every task there are subtasks and there is relevant information for every task, so we can easily do our project. And the mentor support is excellent because they clear our doubts through Slack channel. For this project, first we need to have an IBM Cloud account. I have already created an IBM Cloud account and I have logged in. This is the dashboard of IBM Cloud account. Click on catalog and search for Node-RED. Click on this. I have already created my Node-RED application. I am going to my dashboard. Click on Cloud Foundry apps. This is the Node-RED. Since the app is running successfully, click on Visit App URL. Click on Go to your Node-RED Flow editor. This is the Node-RED flow I have created. Click on catalog. Search for Watson Assistant. Click on this. I have already created my assistant tool. I am going to my cloud account dashboard. Click on services. Click on this assistant tool. Click on launch Watson Assistant. This is the assistant which I have created, that is customer service. Click on this customer service skill. These are the intents I have created. These are the entities. These are the dialog nodes. We can try Watson Assistant by giving an input. Click on catalog. Search for discovery. Click on this discovery. I have already created my discovery, so I am going to my cloud account dashboard. Click on services. This is the discovery I have created. Click on launch Watson discovery. We need to upload our data in this discovery so that it gives information about the product. Here we can upload the data by clicking on this button. Already I have uploaded the data about the product, that is named as user manual. Click on this user manual. We need to configure the data. We need to identify the fields which are present in the content of data, content or data, by naming each them as title, text or anything. We need to manage the fields, turn on subtitle text and title, split the document based on subtitle. Click on catalog, search for cloud functions. I have already created a cloud function. Click on these cloud functions. We need to create a new function. I have already created my function, so I am going to my actions. I have created a cloud function and named as my action in node.js. This is the code which I have written in node.js. The parameters should be included are environment ID, collection ID, IAM-API key, URL. Click on runtime and this is written in the format of .js. Here cloud functions are used for integrating Watson Assistant discovery in Node-RED. Click on endpoints. We need to integrate these cloud functions, Watson Discovery and Watson Assistant in Node-RED by using webhooks. Click on enable as web action and copy this URL. Go to Watson Assistant. Click on options. Copy the URL here. Paste the URL here. At the end of URL, include .json. Go to dialog. If you want to add discovery into the assistant, if you want to find any information regarding product, I have created an entity called product information. I have to include the details which are included in the manual in this node. So click on this product information, click on customize and enable this webhooks option and then click on apply. Then go to Node-RED. This is a form node. This is a function node which I have created for passing the input. This is the text node. This is also a text node. This is a function node for getting an appropriate output. This is the assistant node. You need to copy the API key, service endpoint and workspace ID from assistant. Go to Watson Assistant. Click on view API details and this skill ID is nothing but your workspace ID which you need to be given in assistant node. API key and URL are obtained from launch page of Watson Assistant. Message.payload is nothing but debug node. Now deploy your Node-RED flow. set the layout for Node-RED. This is the dashboard which I have created for Node-RED. We can give inputs from Watson Assistant, and the outputs will be from Watson Assistant and also from Discovery. If I enter any query regarding product, then the output will come. This is the information we are getting. This is how the chatbot gives the answers. Thank you.